First question, World Cup Cricket 2023 venue held in India. Headquarters of ISRO, Bangalore. Headquarters of ISRO, Bangalore. Okay, Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Validity time of check-in 3 months. National Science Day, February 28th. First bank in India, Bank of Hindustan. Percentage of nitrogen in air. Nitrogen in air, 78%. First Olympic Games was held in Athens, Greece. Okay, next. Which is the opponent team of the for the first test match of Sachin in 1899? Pakistan. What is the shortcut key to expand borrowing screen web browser? Okay, what is the shortcut key to expand borrowing screen in web browser? F11. Shimla agreement took place in 1972. Again I will discuss 10 questions repeatedly. World Cup Cricket 2023 venue held in India. Headquarters of ISRO, Bangalore. Validity time of check in 3 months. National Science Day, February 28th. First bank in India, Bank of Hindustan. Percentage of nitrogen in air, 78%. Next, first Olympic Games was held in Athens, Greece. Which is the opponent team for first time test match of Sachin in 1989? Pakistan. What is the shortcut key to expand borrowing screen in web browser? F11. Shimla agreement took place in 1972. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, what gases can be found on Saturn planet? Hydrogen and helium. Saturn planet, hydrogen and helium. What is the process called in zinc oxide is applied to metals to stop them from rusting? Okay, galvanizing of iron sheet coated with zinc. Indirect question. Okay, what is the process called in with zinc oxide is applied to metal to stop them from rusting? Galvanizing. Yeah, DBMS full form, database management system. Which fundamental right is guaranteed even to non-citizen of India? Which fundamental right is guaranteed even to non-citizens of India? Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. The second round table conference was conducted in which month of 1931? September. Okay, the second round table conference was conducted in which month of 1931? September. Okay, 17th question, 2015 Nobel Prize does not discuss it. Okay, does not use in exams. How many fundamental duties we have in our constitution? 11. Okay, next, leukodrama safeguard treatment. Pseudo catalyst. Okay, 20 also current affairs does not discuss. Previous current affairs does not discuss in 20 question. Okay, full form of UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Full form of UNFCCC, FCCC, United Nations Framework First C Convention on Climate Change. Recently, the Delhi Police launched an app for women distress. The app is Himmat. Recently, the Delhi Police launched an app for women distress. The name of app is Himmat. Okay. Father of All India Services, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Name of the operation that lead to capture and death Osama bin Laden. Okay, name of the operation that lead to the capture and death of Osama bin Laden. Operation Neptune Spear. Operation Neptune Spear. Who started home rule movement in India? Annie Besant. Okay, Jeenam Chelan are tributary of which river? Indus. Again I will discuss these questions. Okay, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What gases can be found in Saturn? Hydrogen and helium. What is the process called is in which zinc oxide is applied to metals to stop them rusting? Galvanizing. DBMS stands for database management system. Which fundamental right is guaranteed even non-citizens of India? Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. The second round table conference was conducted in which month? 1931 September. Who was awarded? This is not question. Okay, how many fundamental duties have our constitution? 11. Leukodrama and safeguard treatment, pseudo catalyst. Okay, 20 also not discussed. UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Recently, the Delhi Police app launched Women Distress. The app is name is Himmat. Father of All India Services, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Name of the operation that led to capture and death Osama bin Laden. Operation Neptune Seeper. Spear. Operation Neptune Spear. Okay, who started home rule movement in India? Annie Besant. Chain of Jhelum are tributary of which river? Indus. 27 also current affairs. Previous current affairs does not discuss. Okay. Who is only male? National Women Commission. This is also current affairs, does not discuss, does not use in exams. Who came up with the concept of properties element repeating and property of their atomic number as is arranged in periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay, Mendeleev. Who came up the concept of properties of elements repeating as a property of their atomic number as rearranged in periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay, which organ removes nitrogenous compounds from the blood? Kidney. Which organ removes nitrogenous compounds from the blood? Kidney. Rocket launch pad, Sriharikota. Okay, I will discuss it previously. Sriharikota. Okay, ISRO headquarters Bangalore. In which year Aryabhatta was launched? 1975. Okay, in which year Aryabhatta was launched? 1975. INS Vikrant was decommissioned in which year? 1997. What is the study of soil is called pedology. Okay, rocket launch pad Sriharikota. INS Vikrant decommissioned in which year? 1997. What is the study of soil is called pedology. Okay, which year Aryabhatta was launched? 1975. Okay, while raining type of smell comes known as ozone. While raining type smell comes known as ozone. Okay. Who is the chairman of Human Rights Commission? This is also current affairs bit, does not discuss. The Human Rights Commission changed this year. What are number of balls in snooker? 22. What are number of balls in snooker? 22. Fastest century in the Test cricket match, Brendan McCullum. Okay, who is the president of South Asian Wrestling Federation? This is also current affairs, does not know. Delhi is made capital in which year? 1911. Okay, World Vanya Pranidhi Day, 6th October. World Vanya Prani Day, 6th October. Okay. Again discussion these questions. 21. UNFCCC full form, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Recently, Delhi Police launched Women Distress, the nation of Himmat. Father of All India Services, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, name of the operation that lead to capture and death Osama bin Laden, Operation Neptune Spear. Home rule movement launched in India, Annie Besant. Chain of Jhelum, tributary of Indus River. Which of the following states? Jammu Kashmir. 27, 28 also previous current affairs, does not discuss. Who came up with the concept of properties of elements repeating as property of their atomic number is arranged in periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Which organ removes nitrogen compounds from the blood? Kidney. Rocket launch pad Sriharikota. INS Vikrant decommissioned in which year? 1997. What is the study of soil? Is pedology. Aryabhatta was launched satellite. Aryabhatta launched 1975. The remaining type of smell comes known as ozone. Okay. What are the number of balls in snooker? 22. Fastest century in the Test cricket match, Brendan McCullum. Who is the president of South Asia? This also. Delhi is made capital in which year? 1911. World Vanya Prani Day, 6th October. Pakistan cricket umpire. This is also does not discuss it. First animal demonstrated by Neolithic people, dog. First animal demonstrated by Neolithic people, dog. What is the full form of NASA, National Security Agency? Okay, Who was the first female judge of High Court? Anna Chandy. Who was the first female judge of High Court? Anna Chandy. Which gas filled with balloons? Helium. Okay. Which constitutional amendment was enacted by Indira Gandhi during emergency? 42 amendment. Which constitutional amendment was enacted by Indira Gandhi during an emergency? 42nd amendment. Who holds the record for the fastest test 100? 100 McCallum. Brendan McCallum. Already discussed this question. Okay. The president signed a proclamation under the which article imposing president rule Arunachal Pradesh? 356(1). The president signed a proclamation under which article for imposing president rule in Arunachal Pradesh? 356(1). Jeevan Raksha Padak has how many categories? Jeevan Raksha Padak has how many categories? Okay, 3 categories. Okay. Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak, Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak, Jeevan Raksha Padak. Okay. Poonam Pact was signed in 1932. SEBI establishment. SEBI headquarters Mumbai. Security Exchange Board of India was established in 1988. Okay, 1988. The India victory over New Zealand in Test match series April. This is also current affairs. Previous current affairs does not use. Who was? This is also previous question. Previous year question. What is the age of the universe? 13.8 billion years. Okay. CBSE latest mobile application providing e-learning material is called as eCBSE. Okay. Who was the first female Muslim PM in the world? Benazir Bhutto. Benazir Bhutto. Okay. 58 also previous year question does not use. Dinosaurs were present in the earth which years? Mesozoic era. Dinosaurs were present on the earth which is Mesozoic era. Who was the chairman of SBI? This is also previous question. Previous year question does not use. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Again I will repeat these questions. Okay. Delhi is made of capital 1911. World Vanaparani Day is 6th October. President cricket Pakistan cricket. This is also previous question. The first animal demonstrated neural ethics dog. What is the full form of NASA? National Security Agency. Who was the first female judge of High Courts? Anna Chandy. Which gas filled with balloons? Helium. Okay. Which constitutional amendment was enacted by Indira Gandhi during the emergency? 42nd amendment. Who holds the record fastest 100? Brendan McCallum. The president signed proclamation under the article for imposing president rule in Arunachal Pradesh at 356(1). Jeevan Raksha Padak, how many categories? 3 categories. Sarvotram Jeevan Raksha Padak, Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak, Jeevan Raksha Padak. Pune Pact was signed in which year? 1932. Security Exchange Board of India was established in 1988. This headquarters in Mumbai. India victory over the this is also current affairs. Who was elected? This is also okay. What is the age of the universe? 13.8 billion. CBSE latest mobile application providing e-learning material is called eCBSE. Who was the first female Muslim PM in the world? Benazir Bhutto. Gyan Parit Award. This is also current affairs. Does not use. Dinosaurs were present on the earth which year? Mesozoic era. Okay. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Subhash Chandra Bose founded which party? All India Forward Black. The last king of Chola dynasty, Rajendra Chola 3. The last king of Chola, Rajendra Chola. Who became the only Indian government general? Rajagopalachari. C. Rajagopalachari. Okay. Who has been honored twice? In 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics, 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Marie Curie. The second airport of the National Capital Region of Delhi, Baiwadi. First modern Summer Olympics 1896. Held in first modern Summer Olympics held in 1996. Okay. Statue of Envil PM Modi in UK, Basaveshwara. Alasani. This is not question 69th previous year question. Which of the following atomic number 3? Lithium. Which of the following atomic number 3? Lithium.